Hello students, hope you all are doing good. This is Priyanka from Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. So today I will be sharing you the information of two different things. That is one important update of GATE 2022 exam as well as regarding the release of the answers of Kannada paper of WRD HK exam which got over on 1st August 2021. So first let me give you the information of GATE 2022 paper. See today, that is 24th September 2021, is the last date to fill GATE application form. And already the GATE application form has started from 2nd September 2021. Lot of students are not aware of this application form. So if you guys are preparing for this exam seriously, I seriously suggest you guys to fill this form. And with increase in the fees also, they have given the extension, that is you can fill the form by paying additional fees till October 1st 2021, and after that they have given some 5 to 6 days time to rectify your application form if there are any corrections. See, in my earlier videos also I had shared the importance of GATE exam, but still if you are watching it for the first time or if you guys are not aware of the importance of GATE exam, listen to it very carefully. First of all, this GATE exam is very much important to do MTech in IITs or NITs and even in IISc also. So without qualifying GATE exam, you are not eligible to do MTech in all these three premier institutes in our country. Second benefit is, if you are interested to study abroad, two universities in Singapore and two universities in Germany have reserved their seats for GATE qualified students. Third one is, if you just qualify GATE exam and if you are not able to get IITs and NITs, still you can go with PGCET in Karnataka through GATE exam only. That too if you have qualified GATE exam, and through that your rank will come within 2000 in our PGCET, that is in Karnataka PGCET, and you need not write PGCET exam. And once the counseling starts, then first counseling will be done for GATE qualified students. And the next benefit is, if you want to do job in PSUs, that is public sector undertaking, that is Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, ONGC and all, so they take only through GATE exam. So to enter into PSUs, you should have valid GATE score only. And next important benefit is, if you want to enter into any research institutes like CSIR, CRRI and all, so there your GATE result is considered. And apart from this, if you qualify GATE exam and wherever you do MTech, either in Karnataka or in our private colleges or in IISc or in IITs or NITs in our country, you are eligible for a stipend of 12,400 rupees per month. So which plays a very major role during the student life. So 12,400 into 24, this much stipend you will be getting by default, and MHRD will be paying you that money, not the college in which you will take the admission. And GATE result is valid for 3 years. And even if you score negative marking, whatever it is in your GATE exam, still you can write GATE exam, and there is no any limitation for number of attempts. Remember that. Andre bari 3 times baridu, 4 times baridu, there is no any such hard and fast rule. You can give GATE exam till whatever age you want. This is very flexible exam. And before writing this exam, obviously you should know the pattern of this exam. See, this exam is conducted for 100 marks, 3 hours online exam wherein 65 questions will be there, in which 15 questions will come from aptitude compulsory and 13 questions from engineering mathematics compulsory, and rest 72 marks will come from your specific branches, that is from civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics, electrical, like that. So I seriously recommend you guys to study aptitude, because aptitude will be very easy. That is the scoring subject for all the students who are attempting GATE exam. And in our Sandpoint also we are providing the entire course for GATE exam. If you want, you can join for entire 100 marks, or else even if you want to prepare for just 50 marks, because some of the students just aim for qualifying because they want to be monetary very much relaxed, and they don't want to give any additional burden on their parents. So for that also, yes, we are providing half of the package, that is we are providing 50 marks only for the preparation. And if you study whatever we have provided seriously, then definitely you can qualify GATE exam, because that has its own PDF materials as well as test series which are designed as per the GATE level. And there is negative marking for this exam. 1 mark question has 1/3 negative marking, 2 mark question has 2/3 negative marking, and there are fill in the blanks which don't have any negative marking. And there are MSQs questions also, that is multiple select questions, wherein more than 2 options can be right, and still there is no negative marking for these kind of questions. But students in Karnataka, that too in this region, they are very much scared of GATE exam, thinking that it is very difficult. Nothing like that. That is the reason. Yes, I understand that this is one of the important exam in our country. Hence, this is the only exam which is having all these benefits. That is, you can go for government job, you can go for MS, you can go for MTech, you can go for MBA, you can enter into research field. It is having vast and vast of applications. So if you guys are still in 7th semester or in 5th semester, I seriously recommend you guys to take the benefit of this GATE exam. And one more important doubt what lot of students have is, ma'am, if I prepare for GATE exam, will it take care of government exams? See, it is not like that, because the GATE pattern or the type of the questions which can be expected in GATE or the preparation methodology is little different for GATE. Because in government exams they ask more theory questions and very small or simple numericals, but GATE is not like that. Lot of conceptual questions are asked in GATE exams. So for whatever exam you are preparing, you stick to that only. Like for example, if you are preparing for GATE exam or if you want to excel in GATE exam, then I suggest you to concentrate completely only on GATE syllabus. Okay, GATE method of studying. For IES, same thing. And if you are targeting for any of the government exams, then prepare according to that. For example, there are some subjects like building materials, estimation and all, which don't have any weightage in GATE exam. But these kind of subjects have lot of weightage in government exams. See, government exams you can consider in one category, that is either central government, that is SSC, JE or RRB, and all our Karnataka exams, that is WRD, PWD, PRED, RWS, RDPR, whatever the exam is there. So if you prepare, ಇದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ನೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ then it will help for government exam. It is not like that. So make the things very clearly, because before starting with your self study or before joining any of the coaching institutes, so ಮೊದಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಗೇಟನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋರಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. So hope you are getting what I am trying to say. So now coming to the updates on the WRD HK exam which happened on 1st August 2021. See, Kannada exam happened on that day. So day before yesterday we got the results for that Kannada exam. So some of the results are withheld and some of the students have qualified this Kannada exam and some of the students haven't qualified this Kannada exam. So do not worry, do not panic, because earlier also guys I told you it's just you need to score 50 marks out of 100, out of 150 actually. So even I had made one video earlier giving you the tips on what are the topics you have to concentrate so that you can score at least 50 marks. But I don't know what is the reason ki some of you guys are not able to qualify this exam. So whatever the drawbacks are there, you prepare for those drawbacks. And if you guys need any inputs, any preparation, I am ready to help you guys for the Kannada paper for free of cost. Because some of the students who were not having Kannada as first or second language, you have to write Kannada exam compulsory, then only your technical paper will be evaluated. Okay, so whatever help you need for the Kannada paper preparation, I am there for you, don't worry. And that too I will provide you free information or free training for this particular subject. So some students were sending me a WhatsApp message just 2 days before, they were feeling very bad. So I don't know, I was not able to answer you guys because I don't know what was wrong and I don't know what is the reason ki why your results are withheld. So I suggest you guys to contact KPSC helpline and try getting the answer ki why your paper is withheld. I suggest you guys to watch my previous videos. You can just check the playlist. So wherein in every video I have tried giving you the tips for the motivation as well as general information for your preparation. And you also know that we provide the classes for AE PWD, for JE PWD, technical as well as general studies, as well as for entire KPSC syllabus also. And lot of strategies also we provide once you join the course. So if you guys are interested, so I suggest you guys to start the journey with Sandpoint by clicking the link in the description. All the very best.